You ain't ready for this truth. They wanna keep you blind, but we rising.
131, 31, 31, 31, 31.
Hey, fear God, keep commandments, that's the whole man. Climbing ladders to the heavens, never falling again. We was beasts in the streets, now we breaking the chains. Turn that bread of shame to honor, ain't no loss in the game.
Yo, we gathered in the circle, purpose carved in the stone. The master of the ladder said ascend, never bow to the throne. Idol worshippers, amen, let the truth be known. We separate from the cattle, watch the sparks get sown.
In the world is concealment, light staying veiled. Fear of God in my heart, never locking in jail. I ain't taking what ain't mine, I ain't eating for self. Cause reception make you fall, put your soul on the shelf.
Look, the reason for creation ain't for flexing and stunting. It's to cleanse the inner temple, make the vessel abundant. Ain't no taking, only giving, let the ego be crushed.
Turn that fire to a weapon, let the serpents get hushed. Y'all ain't ready. The world was built on fear.
Only the strong break free. Step to the light.
Hey, fear God, keep commandments, that's the whole man. Climbing ladders to the heavens, never falling again. We was beasts in the streets, now we breaking the chains. Turn that bread of shame to honor, ain't no loss in the game.
Yo, they told us chase the bag, now we chasing the crown. I ain't bowing to the dollar, let them idols fall down. This the duty of the fearless, every move be divine. Got that presence in the cipher, feel the glow in the rhyme. Righteous ones walking in the valley, but their steps leave fire.
We bestow upon the maker, burn the fleshly desire. Love of others be the weapon, turn my enemy's ghost. Cause the light too strong, leave them pale as a ghost.
Yo, we climb degrees, we ain't staying a beast. From the city to the heavens, let the burden release. They enslaved the mind, but the soul won't fold. This the path of the chosen, let the prophecy unfold. Flames in my breath, every word be a spark. Turn the night into day, bring the light to the dark. Ain't no stopping transformation the key. Every battle been written, only faith sets free. 131. May your steps be guided in truth. May your path be lit with wisdom. And may your heart find peace in the struggle. 131. May your steps be guided in truth. May your path be lit with wisdom.